We all talk in the terms of vaccination. We talk in terms of beds. There are so many aspects where we are all collectively struggling, and we need to put a collective fight to make a difference. And I feel COVID appropriate behavior is our first vaccine. That's the first wall, the key wall that ensures that we break the chain, that we keep ourselves and our family safe. And I think it's very important that all of us start talking about, promoting, ensuring, encouraging each other for COVID appropriate behavior. Think about it. You need to ask this question. In this fight that all of us have against COVID, where do we stand? Are we fighting against COVID, or are we on the side of COVID? We all need to be collectively fighting against COVID. So we need to prioritize our lives, our health, our well being. And for that, it's so important all of us ensure that we, our families, and friends ensure that there is no dilution in COVID appropriate behavior. Use masks, sanitize, but most importantly, maintain distance. Please do not go into any gatherings. Avoid parties, functions. This is not the time for people to come together and get together. This is a time that we all stay within the frames of our homes, keeping ourselves, our families safe so that we break this chain. And all of us need to do this. And when you have symptom, you talk to the doctor immediately. You follow doctor's advice. You don't hoard medication. You don't create a panic. You wait, you be patient, but most importantly, you and I together, all of us need to ensure COVID appropriate behavior. So if a friend calls you that let's go out for a walk, you say no. This is the time you stay home, I stay home. You get an invite for a function, you say no. That's your way of telling the people who are inviting you, I care for you. Because the more the people together, the more is the risk. This is one side of COVID appropriate behavior that we've all been talking about, and I just wanted to reinforce it. But let me add one more side to COVID appropriate behavior: the psychological, emotional, and social side. Compassion is COVID appropriate behavior. Taking responsibility is also COVID appropriate behavior. We empathize with people who are struggling. Wherever you can help, lend a hand, emotionally be there. Keep talking to friends and family. Your being socially connected is also COVID appropriate behavior. At your workplace, ensure that those colleagues who are struggling, you lend more support. We do not hoard, we do not blame the victim, we do not do any stereotypical discrimination. What we do is we bring altruism, we stand up for each other with compassion, with values, and come together in this fight. That is COVID appropriate behavior. So my message to all of you, it's together we can. And it's only together we can. So let's all ensure that we do what we can. We do what we should. And we will fight against COVID and ensure that we break this chain and bring our lives back to normal.